Egy pár percen belül fog majd kezdeni a sebességi verseny a Solar Boat Challenge-en. Aki szeretné látni élőben, a móló végére ki lehet sétálni, és onnan élőben lehet látni a hajókat versenyezni. A lényeg ebben a versenyben az, lesz egy pár alkalmuk a csapatoknak, hogy a leggyorsabb sebességet elérni, és ezt fogják lemérni. Arra kérünk mindenkit, hogy aki itt van a tóparton, meg főleg a térköves részen, hogy majd légy szíves adjanak egy kis helyet a csapatoknak, ahogy hozzák a hajókat be a vízbe. Aki nem szeretne kimenni a mólóra, majd itten is nézheti a közvetítést a nagy LED-falnál, nagy képvetítőn. Köszönjük szépen!
Not really a hard start line, they can speed up where they want. There was just a snake passing on me. Yeah, for you it's yeah, but for us it's
As we're preparing for our top speed race, just a little explainer on what you will be watching this afternoon. As the name indicates, the goal of the race is to reach the top speed with your boat as much as possible. The race will go in the following procedure. Essentially, it is a straight line at top speed. Now, laser measurement will be taken near the end of the run. All teams will have multiple tries to set a maximum speed. 2 tries. 2 successful tries to set a maximum speed. If the judges are not able to measure the speed with the laser after 2 tries, then they are able to have another run, so in order to have an accurate measurement. And naturally, the highest measurement will count. And boats are still currently being loaded into the water. Again, a friendly reminder that for those who are on the pavers, to please make sure that you give some room to our team so that they can load their boats into the water. And again, for those who wish to have a closer view, live view, you could walk out to the end of the pier, located to the left pier if you're facing the lake, all the way at the end, and you should get a better view of the boats reaching their top speed there. For those that would like to view it here and at home, obviously we are telecasting this, and it is also available to watch on the big screen here in front of the main stage. Also like to take this opportunity to thank our sponsors, Algida Unilever as our main sponsor. Don't forget to visit their tent for some refreshing ice cream, little place in the shade and just to relax. Thanks to them for their sponsorship again. Obviously the Corcom as well. Visit Corcom and their technologies on display here next to the main stage, where you also have an opportunity to look at the next generation of wall and roof panels, as well as paver panels, paver solar panels that are meant to provide illumination among paver stones that require no wires between the sets of lighting. So they are completely solar powered. Visit them as well. Go take a look at our other tent as well, which is going to be providing you an opportunity to practice your hand at upcycling. That is Hybrid Cycle. Hybrid Cycle located right behind the main stage. And of course, as well, a reminder that this Veszprém is the European Capital of Culture for 2023. Go and visit their tent as well and familiarize yourself with some of the events that will be coming up in the next few weeks and months. Boats are now moving into position. Once we are ready to start, we will be making the announcement. Also a reminder that at 5 o'clock, there will be a roundtable discussion at 5 o'clock, the green future of engineering. This roundtable discussion will be available to watch at the hexagonal tent. And that will be followed by a few activities for the students who will also be participating as well. Öt órakor pedig a mérnökségnek a zöld jövője, kerekasztal megbeszélgetés lesz a Hexagon sátorban. 5 órakor. Kérem, csatlakozzanak. And we are nearing most of our boats in position. We still have a few here in the water by the harbor and one awaiting to be launched. Once all boats are in position, we will begin our race.
35.
If you look out towards the water, we now have one of our boats moving out into position to begin. Pilot of Team 7, Boat 17, Solar Team Sneak giving a wave and going for a speed, top speed measurement. Now, the goal of what you're seeing right now is they're moving at top speed towards the pier and then turning away. So as soon as they reach their top speed, nearing towards the end, a laser measurement is taken. Each team has 2 tries in order to reach a top speed. If after 2 tries the judges are not able to make a laser measurement, then that team is able to have another run so that an accurate measurement can be taken. It is worth noting that solar technology has come quite a distance over the last few decades. In 2006, when the Dutch first started the Solar Boat Challenge, the top speed reached was 16 kilometers an hour. 16 kilometers an hour. Last year, or I'm sorry, 15 kilometers an hour back in 2006. But last year in 2022, the top speed reached for a solar boat was 50 kilometers an hour, 50. So that is just a testament to how far engineering has come when it comes to these solar boats. If you're looking at the big screen right now, you see that some of these boats have different types of technologies that they use in order to reduce friction and increase speed on the water. Here you see Dutch solar boat, boat number 2, using a foil system in which it literally lifts the chassis of the boat out of the water so that it goes on a foil system in order to attain a top speed. Obviously, the less friction, less surface tension there is, the higher speed that a boat can reach. Also exhibiting this foil technology is Boat 14 that you see on the screen right now, Whisper Power Solar Team. Also moving into position right now for their top speed run. And from this, you could also notice the difference then between the different types of boat constructions as well. So there you have Boat 14 moving into position, and here we have I believe Dutch Solar boat, Boat 17 making their speed run. That was Solar Team Sneak. And as you saw as well, they seem to be running what looks like a catamaran style, in which there are two edges coming in contact with the water. There in the distance, you see Team 14 moving into position, Whisper Power Solar Team, getting ready for their run as well. Whisper Power Solar Team now moving in for their top speed portion. And as you see, the boat is now lifted out of the water. They're using this foil system, reducing the amount of surface tension on the water. Less friction, higher the speed. And there they go. Team 2, Dutch Solar Boat. There in the distance, also using the foil technology. If you're watching big screen here in the foreground, that's Boat 18, Balaton University's boat, in its very first competition.
Wat zegt de GPS?
Point exactly at him, because then you get the fastest time.
There in the distance, you also see Boat 14. Boat 14, which is Whisper Power Solar Team, just completing.
Ik dacht ook, ik dacht ook, oh ja, hij zit met mij weer aan het
Boat 2, Dutch Solar Boat in the lane. And again, all teams have 2 opportunities to reach a top speed. The only time that they are allowed to have more runs is if the judges are not able to make an accurate laser measurement, then they are allowed another run until an accurate measurement can be made. At this point, we're having the majority of the boats now exiting the water, or at least making their way back to harbor. Currently, boat number 11 coming out of the water, AGH University's boat. Boat 16 also making their way back, BME Solar Boat.
snellere boot bouwen.
Jövőre lesz, vagy jövő hétre lesz. Igen.
Out in the distance, we see boat number 5, HVHL, in the water, moving into position. Boat 15 also now returning to port. Boat 15, Team EMTA. Here we have boat number 5, HVHL. HVHL entering the lane, making their run. And boat number 5 completing their run, HVHL Solar Boat. Just a reminder that beginning at 5 o'clock here on the shoreline, in the hexagonal tent, we will be having our roundtable discussion on the green future of engineering. Green future of engineering roundtable discussion, which will be held in the hexagonal tent. At this point, it seems that most of the teams have now completed their runs. Boat number 5, HVHL, also returning to port. We're seeing boat 16 here. That's right, Solar Love, look at that. Boat 16, BME, now being loaded out of the water. Boat number 2, Dutch Solar Boat, also now returning to port, followed by boat 5, HVHL. Once the results have been tabulated, we will be announcing them shortly.
Larsson. Kom erop.
En nou? Kijk er aan naar je naam, zie je wel. Wat een dag in de buurt.
Ik vind het leuk dat je meeneemt, maar...
Ik heb het goed gedaan.
Zullen we de car weer pakken? Ja, dat voor gaskamer. Kijk erin het licht, dus in principe is het snelste op we kunnen gaan.
Maar hoe dan? Je bent wel echt hard in.
En die gaat nou gewoon...